Hello everyone, this is James Holloway for Traverse Enterprises. Do you have a window treatment challenge? Don't curse it, just traverse it. So here's a question we receive from time to time. Do cellular shades block sound? Unfortunately, the answer is no, at least not really. Cellular shades do offer a high degree of insulation at the window compared to other window treatments, so they can help retain heat in the winter and block heat in the summer. So it is understandable how some people might think that they would also provide sound absorption as well. Cellular shades, or honeycomb shades as they are sometimes called, may offer better noise reduction compared to other products such as wood blinds or roller shades, but they really don't block that much noise by themselves. However, they can be used in conjunction with heavyweight, lined draperies or curtains to reduce sound. Now outside of that, some of the benefits of honeycomb shades include privacy and light control. They can be motorized, or they are available with a cordless lift system to eliminate strings that can pose danger to young children.